Sorry, I came out of the internet because internet connection was low. Okay, we will start again. So we will start here. Hitesh ठेव बेटा phone. Is it visible? So we have seen the setting. We have two types: initial setting and final setting, and we have the hardening. In hardening, final strength is developed. Initial setting, stiffening takes place, and final setting, initial strength is developed. So here stiffening takes place, initial strength developed, and final strength is developed. And all this is due to two reasons: due to crystallization as well as due to the gel formation. So they are there. These are the two. Now this is actually the reaction for. This is actual the reaction for the initial setting. This is the reaction. Are you able to see? Are you able to see? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So initial setting, as I have said, it is for 1 day and it is due to adding water to the C3A. C3A is tricalcium aluminate. You know that 6 water molecules are required. So just write down 6H2O with the dot 3CaO dot Al2O3 dot 6H2O, and heat of hydration is 880 kilojoule per kg. In short form, this 3CaO you can write as C3A. A stand for Al2O3, CaO stand 3CaO stand for C3A. So same reaction we can write it as 6H2O, giving you C3A dot 6H2O plus 880 kilojoule per kg. Now after C3A, next reaction we have seen C4AF, for which you need 7 water molecule, 6 plus 1. You need 6 plus 1. So 6 will go with this. Out of 4 CaO, 3 CaO will be there, Al2O3 will be there, and 6H2O will be there, and 1 CaO and 1 Fe2O3, which is not used, will come with another water molecule. So 6 will come with 3 CaO dot Al2O3 dot 6H2O, and 1 will come with the CaO dot Fe2O3 dot H2O. Heat of hydration is 420 kilojoule per kg. This is the gel and this is the crystallination. This is the gel formation and this is the crystalline formation. So that is there. In short, that is with the abbreviation, you can write 4CO.Al23.Fe2O3 as C4AA plus 7H2O, giving you C3A.6H2O plus CaO, not CaO के लिए C, Fe2O3 के लिए F ferrite dot H2O 420 kilojoule. So remember both the reaction. Chalo fast. Remember both the reactions. This is initial setting. Day 1, we have not yet added gypsum to the cement powder. Are you through? Already we have done it. 6H2O here, 7H2O. Out of that 6 here, 1 here. Here all 6 are there, 880 kilojoule. And here 420 kilojoule, C4AF. First two reaction already we have seen, it is a repetition. It is a repetition. Are you with me, everyone? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the next one. Next one, after initial setting, we have to take C3S and C2S. So C3S, we have to take two molecule, as I have told you, 2 times in bracket, 3 times CaO dot SiO2, 6H2O. First के लिए 6, second के लिए 7, again third के लिए 6H2O. So you will get 3 CaO. This 2 will come here with the SiO2. So 3 CaO dot 2 SiO2 dot 3H2. Out of 6, 3H2 will be here, and the remaining Ca and water will come here and you will get crystal formation. CaOH twice is crystal formation. Heat of hydration is 500 kilojoule per kg. So in short form or abbreviation, this 3 times CaO dot SiO2, it is written as 2 times C3S plus 6H2O, C3S2 3H2O, and the remaining 3H2O will come with COH twice, and you get 500 kilojoule per kg. It has a gel has a adhesive property to keep all the constituent together tightly. That is the gel property. That is the gel property, and it has a high surface area of 10 raised to 6 centimeter per centimeter cube. Just remember this value may be asked in the question. 1 gram cement has high surface area of 10 raised to 3 centimeter cube, whereas 1 gram Dobermonite gel has the surface area of 10 raised to 6. Earlier it is 10 raised to 3. Now it is 10 raised to 6. 10 raised to 3, 10 raised to 6 it is. Now after initial setting, we have seen the final setting for this particular reaction. It needs 2 to 7 days. It needs 2 to 7 days, and then we will see what is hardening. So initial setting we have seen 1 day, final setting 2 to 7 days, and then hardening 7 to 28 days. So after application of cement paste for the construction work, it takes 28 days for the getting fixed on the wall, and during that period of 28 days you have to water the construction work, otherwise it develops scratches, and these scratches turn into a bigger holes, and that may lead to the breaking of the construction work will be there. So to prevent that, it is necessary. So gel is there for adhesion to keep all the constituent together in the form of the various constituents like CaO, Al2O3, SiO2, then burning oil will be there, CaSO4 is there, etc. So we have seen the journey. Initial setting 1 day, final settings 2 to 7 days, and final hardening 7 to 28 days. Remember the reaction, remember the heat of hydration. It was earlier C3A, C4AF initial setting के लिए. Then the final setting के लिए you had, yes, final setting के लिए what it was C3S. Now it is C2S. C3S heat of hydration was 500. Here it is 250, and the Dobermonite gel is for the adhesion property. It keeps all the constituent together. Now the gypsum, function of gypsum, which we have to add it. So C3A plus 6H2, you know that it gives 880 kilojoule per kg. But if that much amount of heat is evolved, the strength of the construction work is very low, and therefore you need to add gypsum. How much amount of gypsum need to be added? That depends on the how much strength you want to improve, or how much period of the initial setting you want to improve. Usually it is 3 XCSO4.2H2O, which is X is 32. It is there. So the gypsum reacts with C3A and gives the hydrate, the tricalcium sulfoaluminate, which deposits and forms a protection film on the cement particle for the binding purpose. So C3 it forms a protective film on C3A, and therefore C3A will not get hardened immediately as soon as the mass is formed. So that is there. So these are the reaction: cement plus water paste. 1 day may initial setting. It is C3 and C4AF reaction. It requires 6H2O. It requires 7H2O. It is taking 7 days, 2 to 7 days. Then gelination of C3S, then C2S. Then it takes total 7 days to 28 days. So this is the total flow chart for the this thing. So now what are the ISI specification of Portland cement as per the Indian standard? Out of this, anyone may be asked. I will recommend you to learn one by one. I will recommend you to learn one by one, so that you can recall it at the time of examination. ISI specification, especially 1 mark is there for the specification. Any specification may be asked in the examination. For example, insoluble residue in the cement should not exceed more than 2%. The ratio shall not be less than 0.66. That Al2O3 dot Fe2O3 ratio should be less than 0.66. Total sulfur content shall not be more than 2.75. So learn one by one. Take 2 minutes. Lime saturation factor, how much lime it can bear. That is the amount of CaO divided by amount of SiO2 plus amount of Al2O3 dot Fe2O3. That is called as lime saturation ratio. Lime will take in the only numerator and rest everything SiO2, Fe2O3 and Al2O3 you have to take in the denominator, and that should be 0.66 to 1.02. So that is there. Just 2 minutes, take this. Remember the reaction. Initial setting. Chalo, what are the reaction? Initial setting. These are the books. This is about the wrap up. We have learned about the Portland cement. These are the reactions. C3A, C4AF, C3S, C2S, and roll of gypsum. All these reactions are very much important, as well as this is also important as ISI specification. So lime saturation factor should be 0.66 to 1.02. It is the ratio of CaO divided by the SiO2 plus Al2O3 plus Fe2O3. It is 0.66 to 1.02. Then the ratio Al2O3 to Fe2O3, it should be less than 0.66. Insoluble residue should be less than 2%. The weight of MgO should not be more than 6%. It is not recommended. We have seen in the list it was 4%. So that is there. Total sulfur content should not be more than 2.75. Total ignition shall not exceed, loss on ignition shall not exceed 4%, etc. Initial setting 30 minutes, final setting 10 hours. Initial setting 30 minutes. So within 30 minutes, it gets settled, and within 10 hours, it develops the things. Who will recall this? Yes. Who will recall this? This as well as this. Sorry. This ISI specification. Learn for 2 minutes, and this reaction, initial setting, final setting, hardening, etc. 1 day, 2 to 7 days, and then 7 days to 28 days. C3A, C4AF, C3S, C2S, and lastly, it is the gypsum. Gypsum we have 32, X value is 32, 32 CSO4.2H2O. Who will start with the ISI specification? Very important. Chalo, ISI specification. Chalo. Please one by one. What is lime saturation factor? Ratio of what? Chalo, speak out. Okay, tell me the reaction.
It's ratio of CO with the SiO2, Al2O3 plus FeO3.
Fe2O3, correct. And what it should be? 0.66 to 1.06.
1.02.
What is the next factor?
I think so. Insoluble residue should not exceed 2%.
Okay, next one. MgO should not be more than
6%.
6%. Then initial setting 30 minutes. Final setting 10 hours. What else? Okay, tell me the reaction within 2 minutes, then we'll stop. I have to take the manual attendance. Let me finish the manual attendance till you will finish this. Learn the reaction. I will share the attendance link after 2 minutes. Please keep responding me. I have all symptoms of corona today, but irrespective of that, I have taken third load today. In the morning, I had a batch chemistry batch A1, then E1, EWES, and L division lecture. I'm not in a position, but even then I took it because it is mandatory. चलो हो गया क्या reaction? Yes. I will share the attendance link. I will share the attendance link. Today's ninth lecture. And Friday, remember that we have a, what we have? Yes. Friday क्या है? We have assignment in the evening. We have assignment in the evening as well as flip classroom. CR as well as all
Yes,
the
ma'am.
CPR kind request to help me for the recording. Huh? Okay, I'll take
Yes,
the
ma'am.
attendance then. 65 are present. I will take the attendance. Akash, what is your roll number? Akash, what is your roll number, beta?
Ma'am, 1261.
1261.
61.
Okay. Then next, Dikshit Sharma, what is your roll number?
Ma'am, 1209.
Huh? 12?
09.
Okay. Now 1 is present, 2 is present, 3 is present, 4 is absent. 4 is absent. 5th is present, 6th, 7th, 6th is present. 7, 8, 9. What happened? 6. After 6, directly, yes, 10 I am getting. 10 is present. 11 is there, 12 is there, 13 is there, 14 is there, 15 is there. After 15, 16 is there, 17 is there, 16 is there, 17 is there, 18 is not there, absent. 15 is there, 15 is there. 6, 7, 8, are you there? 6, 7, 8, are you there? 6 is present. 7, 8, are you there? 7, 8, are you there? Then we have 16, 17. Then 18 is not there, 19 is there. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Up to 30, everyone is there. Up to 30, everyone is there. Then after 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Up to 40, everyone is present. Okay, next 41, 42, 43, 46, 46. So 44, 45 absent, 44, 45 absent. 46 is present, 47 is present, 48 is present, 49 is present, 49 is present. Excuse me. Then 50 is not present. 50 is not present. 50 is absent. 51 is absent. 50 is absent. 51 is absent. Yes.
Man, 51 present.
Okay, 51 is present. 50 is absent. Okay. 52, are you there? 52. Yes, 52,
ma'am.
53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 62. 61 is absent. Yes. 61, are you absent? 61, are you absent? 62, 63 is absent. 61, 63 absent. 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 63 is present. 63 is present. So who are the absent number? 1 is absent, 7, 8, they are absent. Then 18 is absent. Then 44 is absent.
Ma'am, one is present.
Yes.
One is present, ma'am.
Yeah, 1 is present. 4, 7, 8, 18, 44, 45, they are absent. Then 45 के बाद क्या है? 50 absent. 50 absent. Then 58 absent. 58, are you there? 58? No, 58 is absent. नहीं, 58 है ना? ओम ओम
Yes, ma'am.
50 है ना? फिर क्यों नहीं दिया अटेंडेंस? 61 is absent. 61 is absent.
Ma'am,
Then
I'm present.
61, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am,
61 is,
Akash, you had asked my roll number right now.
yeah, okay, 61 is present. So after 50, 65, 66, 67, all three are present. 65, 66, 67. 68, are you there? Yeah, you are there.
Ma'am, 63 is also present.
Yeah.
68.
70, are you there? Yes, 70 is also there. 72 is there or no? So absent number are 4, 7, 8. Please listen. 4, 7, 8, 18, 44, 45, and 50. Correct? Correct?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, please feel free to call me immediately after our lecture. Huh?
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. If you are through, you may leave the class. If you are through with the attendance, you may leave the class.
Okay, ma'am.
मैम
हाँ बोलो.
मैम आप कोविड की टेस्ट करने गए थे क्या मैम?
हाँ. Yes.
हाँ मैम, आप आज कोविड की टेस्ट करने जाने वाले थे ना?
हाँ 4 बजे जाऊंगी. अभी वही फोन करती हूँ.
हाँ,
पीएच
कर
मेडिकल
लेना
खुला.
मैम।
हाँ पीएच मेडिकल
हाँ,
खुला है
मैम।
क्या वो देखती हूँ. सिम्टम्स है लेकिन मेरे को डायबिटीज, बीपी, हार्ट ट्रबल सब
मैम
कुछ है.
वो आप दिन में 4 बार स्टीम लिया करो मैम, वो हो जाएगा फिर ठीक।
वो तो करेंगे ना, बराबर करेंगे.
हाँ मैम, टेक केयर।
थैंक यू बेटा. नको. थँक्यू बेटा.
आपण ज्या व्यक्तीस कॉल करीत आहात तो उत्तर देत नाही.
थँक्यू.
कृपया नंतर
थँक्यू
प्रयत्न
एवरीवन.
करा.
Thank
आप
you,
जिस
everyone.
व्यक्ति को कॉल कर रहे हैं वो उत्तर नहीं दे रहा है. कृपया कुछ समय पश्चात प्रयास